Tell me about what you were sharing with people here today.
I was sharing my struggles in life, how I've overdosed and almost didn't make it back myself, and the struggle of addiction and how it's not going to go away. And if we have a safe consumption site, it'll save so many lives. For every shoe that's up there, there's a life gone. I'm blessed. I have had angels helping me or something in my life. I am truly blessed, and I feel it and I know it, but a lot of people aren't. And when I go downtown, I know a lot of people in the drug community, and I see them out there using and a lot of times ODing and not making it through, and it breaks my heart, and it's not necessary for it to happen.
I want you shared a lot of personal details up there. Can you tell me a little bit about your story, how you first started on drugs and what happened?
Yeah, I was 16 years old. My family life wasn't ideal, so I was out on my own and I was stripping, and it was just the thing to do in the bars. You drink and you do lines. And of course, you don't think that when you're 16, but it progresses and you end up on a lot more drugs like I did. And when the dancing career ended, so did the money to buy all that stuff. So I had to do darker things to obtain the drugs. I wasn't able to quit the drugs, and I did them. And the more things that compromise your heart and your beliefs and your soul, the more you need the drugs to numb the pain. So it's like a vicious circle that you're on. What
has to be done here? This is a brave thing you're doing today. I congratulate you on that. But you're here because you see that. What has to happen in your community?
In my community, people have to be provided with Narconon. Even people who don't have an addiction to the down, and that's the requirement to have the Narconon, should have it, because if you're not, you could save someone's life just because you're not addicted to that drug. It's ridiculous. And there needs to be an on-site safe injection place. It's crazy the amount of people, I can't even count on both hands the amount of people that I know have overdosed on the streets here. If they had that in an area where it's accessible and where they could be safe and do it, it would save so many lives. It's crazy because the drugs are never going to go away. And the addicts are never going to go away. It's just going to continue. So why are we just playing with people's lives? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me.